Hey everyone, today we're checking out the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. It's packed with upgrades over the S24 Ultra. Let's dive in and see if it's worth the upgrade. The S25 Ultra has a sleek design and a massive edge-to-edge AMOLED display. It's brighter and larger than the S24 Ultra, offering vibrant colors for a more immersive experience. Watching videos or playing games on this screen is an absolute treat. Let's talk cameras. The S25 Ultra features a huge 200MP main sensor, up from the S24 Ultra's 108MP. The low-light performance is also improved. You'll notice more detailed and precise images, even with the new 10x optical zoom. Plus, the improved AI features now help optimize your photos, making them look more lifelike and true to color. Under the hood, the S25 Ultra is powered by the latest Exynos or Snapdragon chipset and 12GB RAM. This means faster upload times and smoother gaming compared to the S24 Ultra. You'll feel the difference in speed and efficiency, especially with heavy multitasking. Whether you're editing photos or streaming content, this phone delivers. With a 5000 mAh battery, the S25 Ultra lasts all day on heavy use. Plus, fast charging is quicker, so you won't be waiting long to get back to 100%. The S24 Ultra is solid, but the S25 Ultra takes it up a notch. You can easily get through your day without worrying about running out of battery. The S25 Ultra runs the latest Android with One UI, offering more customization and better performance overall. The interface is smooth, responsive, and allows you to personalize your experience even more. Overall, the S25 Ultra is a powerhouse. If you're upgrading from the S24 Ultra, you'll notice significant improvements in camera, performance, and battery life. The phone feels faster, the photos are more detailed, and it's even more efficient. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.